Okay, this is a brief review. Smith Wesson Performance Center, 460 XVR, 7.5 inch barrel, and this will be the third Performance Center revolver that I've had. It will also, unfortunately, be the third that has to go back to Smith Wesson. The finish on it is nice. It has not been fired yet. I had dry fired it upon receiving it from Bud's gun shop, and it dry fired okay. However, let's take a look here in double action. It appears that the sear is not engaging, so either too weak of a sear spring or the sear spring simply isn't in it. It will work in single action. It will also work if I talk dirty to it, bend it over, smack it on the butt, then it'll go in double action. Either way, this is going back to Smith & Wesson. Hopefully I can give a better review once I get it back. The other two that I did have to send back to Smith & Wesson, Smith & Wesson did in fact take care of the problem. But this does not bode well. There we go again with the problem. If I bring it back a little, then the sear engages, then I can go ahead and take it through. Or again, just goes to show that it is a simple problem, but it's one that quality control really should never have let leave the factory.